Hello all, in this video we are going to see about how to convert the binary to gray conversion using the mobile app. This is Hemamalini presenting this video and my teammates are Akram S, Kannan G and Shaktipriya S. The aim of the experiment is also the same, how to implement and design the binary to gray code converter. So before that we have to see what is a gray code conversion and why it is the gray code system is important. So this gray code is also known as the cyclic code or the reflected binary code. So it is the binary number system in which every successive pair of number is differ only by one bit. So it is used in the application where the hardware may produce the error or the ambiguity during the transition from one number to the next. So there is a high chance of the wrong state being read while the system changes from the initial state to the final state. So this binary code eliminates this problem since only one bit changes its value during any transition. So it is used in A to D conversion and it is also used in the error correction in the digital communication, but it is not suitable for the arithmetic operation. So this is a truth table of binary to gray code converter, and here we can see for every successive number only one bit is changes. Here the G0 bit is changed. For this only the G1 bit is changed. Like this only one bit is changes for the successive number. And this is the circuit diagram of binary to gray code conversion. Here along with the circuit diagram we also can see the K map. First the G3 bit is as same as the P3 bit. Then the second one is G2. So G2 is the XOR of B3 and B2. From the K map also we can see this. And the G1 is the XOR of B2 and B1. So from the K map also we can see the G1 is the B1 XOR of B2, and finally the LSB bit G0 is the XOR of B1 and B0. So the same is given in the K map also. Like this we are finding for the binary code the corresponding gray code. Next we are going to see how to convert from binary to gray. The simple procedure is first we have to take the MSB exactly the same number. Second thing is for the second bit we have to XOR the first and the second bit of binary number. So XOR is nothing but for the same bit we have to take a 0. For the different bit we have to take it as 1. So like that we have to do the same for the next successive bits also. Now I am going to show one example for how to convert binary to gray. So this is the number I am taken for the binary. So for convert this into gray, take the MSB bit as same. So 1. Then we have to do the XOR for this 2 bit. So this 2 bit are different. So we have to write as 1. Then for this 2 bits we have to take the XOR. So this is 0 0 same bit. So we have to put as a 0. Then for this 2 bit we have to take XOR. So this is also the same bit. So we have to write 0. So like this for the binary number we can write the corresponding gray code. Now we are going to implement our binary to gray code converter using this mobile app called Electronic Circuit Studio. For our circuit we need XOR gates. So in below we can see the various gate. From that I select the XOR gate. So we want 3 XOR gates, so we can select as much as we want. So after that if we want wire in the sense, press this pencil like icon and start to draw the wire. For every time we want a new wire in the sense, we have to touch that icon, then we can draw. Then if something is extra in the sense, we can select after change this component into yellow color, we can delete it. And we also need a switchable source for our experiment, so for changing 1 to 0 or from 0 to 1, so that we can fetch from this 3 daughter like icon, so from that a switchable source. So if we want multiple switches in the sense, for that we can press it and we can copy and paste. So like that we can get the multiple components. Then we want a ground. So for that I select this ground icon. And we want some indicator to show whether it is on or off. So for that I select this voltage icon, and after that press this spanner like symbol, and then show the press this show indicator. So we can see some indicator in this. The green color circle is an indicator. So this is the components we want to construct our circuit. I already constructed the circuit. So this is our binary to gray code converter, and here we can start to test whether it is working or not. So we already see that for 1000 binary number, the corresponding gray code we got is 1100. So now we check whether we are getting this or not. So the first bit is 1 and the remaining 3 bits are 0. So for 0 we have to long press it, it will change us to the 0. So it is 1000. Now we have to run this. Here we can see, so for the G3 bit we already saw it is similar to the B3 bit. So 1 in the sense we got 1. So the indicator is working here. So it is 1. And then the G2 bit is also indicate that it is high. High means 1. So the remaining 2 bits are low. Low means 0. So for 1000 we got our answer 1100. So our binary to gray code converter is working. So I can also show some other example. For 1100, the corresponding gray code is, for 1100 the corresponding gray code is 1010. So now we can see this is working or not. So for that we can run, and now we can see that, so this is 1 and this is 0, this is 1 and this is 0. So 1010, we are getting the correct answer. So like that we can check for other values also which are given in the truth table. So that successfully our experiment is completed. Hope now you can understand how to implement a circuit using the mobile app, and thank you for watching.